Thanks for joining me today for an important announcement from the Center for Produce Safety.
But first, I'd like to recognize our industry members for working through incredible adversity during this crisis. Everyone in our supply chain, from our growers to our store-level associates, has been working on overdrive to make sure that there's fresh produce on America's table. We all know that food does more than just nourish our bodies. It brings us together and feeds our souls, which is especially important right now. Now to the news from the Center for Produce Safety. I know that over the last few weeks, many of us have become familiar with a socially distant way of getting together. It turns out that some of the rules that our industry follows every day to keep fresh produce safe can also keep us safe from COVID-19 by separating and not cross-contaminating. That's why the Center for Produce Safety is transitioning our Annual Research Symposium. Instead of holding our symposium in person during the summer, we will host a series of webinars online in June and July. The science around fresh produce is evolving quickly, thanks to CPS Research. These webinars will bring the latest science direct to you wherever we are. We will host 5 Zoom webinars, each 90 minutes long, and start those on Tuesday, June 23rd at 10 a.m. Pacific. We will then return every Tuesday at 10 o'clock for 5 weeks until July 21st. On each webinar, you will hear directly from CPS-funded scientists. Plus, you will have a chance to ask them what their findings mean to you. And if you can't join us in person, we will record those sessions so that you can stream them on your own schedule. Over the course of 5 weeks, we will report on 14 finished projects. We will also give interim reports on 11 ongoing projects, many of which just got underway on January 1st and are being fast-tracked to answer urgent industry questions. And because of the generosity of our symposium sponsors, registration for the webinar is free. This is an extraordinary opportunity for our industry. While America rallies to beat this virus for a better future, we can be rallying for a better future for produce food safety. To learn more, visit the CPS website at thecenterforprodusesafety.org. While you're there, you can learn more about how CPS is funding the science to find the solutions that will fuel produce food safety change. While registration for these webinars is free, you will need to register in advance. Please help me thank the sponsors who allowed us to make these events free of charge. Their names will appear on screen. Please reach out and let them know that their generosity means a lot to our industry.
Thank you all, and be well.